Many of you have asked how I present my screen and still be able to see my students. Well, you'll need to use a split screen, and here's how. I'm going to navigate to my Meet, and there's the lovely Miss Wise in my class. Right now, she's the only one in my class. I'm going to click Present Now, and I'm presenting my entire screen. When I click on the screen and I click Share, I will shortly be sharing my entire screen with Miss Wise. Then I'm going to navigate to my other website that I want to show my students. I'm going to click on the tab up at the top, and I'm going to drag it down to the middle and over to the side and let go. Then I'm going to navigate back to my website where my Meet is, and here I can see the lovely Miss Wise on the side, and here is my website. I need to click one more time on my website, drag it down to the middle, and again to the side. If this doesn't work, you're going to simply drag the side of make it smaller so that it's a half screen, and you can size it this way. Now I can present my screen. Miss Wise, can you see my screen with Flipgrid on it? Perfect. So now I can present my Flipgrid as well as Miss Wise. And that's it.